What the dog doing?
Hello everyone, so it's currently 11:40 and I'm just sitting outside getting some fresh air. So I know my friends are planning a surprise for me. They're going to sing me a birthday song at midnight, so I gotta get back and pretend like I did not see any cake. It's currently 11:56 and I want to apply some lip liner because I need to look good in my video. I think they are preparing us. Okay, should I apply a little bit of blush as well? Maybe I should because it's my day.
What the dog doing?
Okay, so I applied a little bit of a lip liner. I did my lips and a little bit of blush and I'm all set. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God. Guys, I'm very surprised. Hello everyone, so this is after the birthday eve. Me and my boyfriend, we came here for cycling because this has been in my bucket list for so long, and it's past midnight, so the footpaths are all clear, so we don't have to worry about bumping into anyone. So yeah, it's so peaceful. Babe, are you having fun? You don't look.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me eat, babe. I'm so having so much fun. Hello. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yes, babe. Yeah, I'm so happy. Let me.
Yay, I'm so happy.
Hello everyone, so it's my birthday. It's officially my birthday. Today I'm basically throwing a theme party and this is my first time like hosting such parties, so I'm very excited. So I need to cook, I need to decorate, I need to get ready and I'm really excited to show you all my dress as well. Actually I was planning on wearing something pink, but I couldn't find a nice pink dress, so I decided on wearing something that I'll show you all later. So join me as I celebrate my 24th birthday.
What the dog doing?
Hello everyone, so it's around 8 something. I just finished cooking, I did some shopping, then I was decorating. Oh my gosh, it was so tiring. Birthday labbe, it's so much of work, you know, doing this and that. I'm so tired. I just got time to take a shower. I just took shower now, right? I just took a shower right now and I want to get ready. Oh my gosh, it's my birthday, but birthday doesn't feel like birthday anymore. It's like too much of work. I'm going to get ready. I'm waiting for my friend as well. Tutup is on the way and some of my friends, they are on the evening shift, so once they arrive I think we're gonna celebrate. Right now they are just playing cards outside, so I'm getting ready as well. Guys, I hope the pictures turn out good because I worked so hard for this. and I love the decoration. It's exactly like my inspo.
So for today's menu, we have shakamdati with beans, then sikam with lom and red chilies, and then we have chana and aloo dum mix.
Chana and potato. Then this one
Then
is
this one is papad, roasted papad.
garlic. Then that one is for the chatpati later.
With the drinks.
This one is cucumber.
Then we have our little bar here, and most of our beers are still in the fridge so that we can
Yeah.
drink it.
Chill. This one is very team plate team plate, team cup.
What the dog doing?
The prettiest decor. Hello everyone, so I just got back from the dinner, but I forgot to show you all my outfit. Good morning guys, so it's the 2nd of August and I actually took MC because my body had it enough. Like I've been busy since 29, 30, 31 and yesterday I'm like I seriously need some rest, so I just took MC. So today also I have a lot of things to do. I need to take down all the decorations. I need to return the stuffs because last time I bought so many dresses from Shein and I did not like any of them, so I'm probably going to return. Then I need to clean my space. Literally I slept on a naked bed yesterday because like I came back late from the dinner and then I did not have the energy to put on a new bed sheet and then sleep, so I just went to bed. So today's gonna be a very busy. This is the most convenient Indian snacks ever. Like you just need to boil the potato and then you just need to mix the like masala for the water, and that's it. You're done. You don't need to do anything. My pani puri is ready, but then the ball is so disappointing. This should be actually the handmade one, but this one is the normal one. So I just wasted my money and most of them are cracked open and not even eatable. So how am I supposed to eat that? So yeah, anyways, I just eat whatever I. It's okay. It's around 5 out of 10. Hello everyone, so I'm just done eating my pani puri. It wasn't the best, yet I had to eat it because I spent my money on it. So now I'm going to put down all my decorations and I need to clean living room, my dining and my kitchen. Yesterday I tried popping the balloon. It was so scary. I'm so scared of balloons. So I thought maybe I tried cutting and letting the air go. So this one is much better than popping the balloon and scaring the shit out of myself. So yay! I have almost like ton of balloons still. I'm so tired after the intense cleaning session. I want to rest for a while, then I want to take shower and then I will clean my room. Hello everyone. I was just cleaning my space and then I really wanted to show you this. I forgot to take picture. It was so pretty. It's because it's almost been 2 days, right? So the flowers are dying. But still, it's so pretty. There was a cake and a bouquet, handwritten letter from my roommate. So she's so cute. And then this one's from my best friend. So this is the flower from the boyfriend. Everyone, so I just got ready. I'm meeting with Amkore and I'm running late. We decided to meet at 2 o'clock and it's already 2. So my hair is wet and my outfit, let me show you all my outfit. Wearing this navy blue top with a cardigan just in case it gets cold and my blue jeans, and I'm going to wear my heel. Hey, I'll see you when I meet Amkore. Bye bye. Decor 맞아? Yeah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Guess who I met Amkore and we are going shopping now. Amkore brought me to the biggest mall of Singapore. Floating Apple store in Geneva. I'll show you all. Kasi mo yang jauh, hindi naman ito sipi. And double chin, 나도 처음 봤어, Amkore. 아니야, that's double chin 처음 봤어. Amkore 당한 matcha wahalang yasi, guys. Past time, 1 month. Actually, past time. After a long time, 2 months, Amkore job 겹친다는 게 너도 따라 밑에, guys. Amkore and me were twinning coincidentally. For hey, we never been to this Maryland. Come to me, alam mo. See? The floating Apple store of Singapore. That one is Louis Vuitton, LV. I'm going to buy my laptop from here. Last ferry na zigunay sa Amkore. Buy my MacBook and because of her I got $130 student discount. Thanks for I'm hungry. Holiday. Ngami mo leverage nilo te dagan 맛있다. 이 앙크리 기프트 너무 딱 맛있었던 거. 맛있네 맛이 guys. 진짜 this 라주다 진짜 this. 야, 단체. New timing. I'm so happy. Kati pat sideline na. To eat mala again. I'm correct. Share up chingi an estimate fish come to John to am chili. Come to John. Had to put I'm correct. Future kid lah. This is for Uncle's future kid. We came to watch a movie. And uncle is going to pee. So let me do a short birthday haul and end this vlog here. So the first gift is from all of my friends here in Singapore. They gave me this red pocket and I'm planning to do something with this money. Next gift is so special gift guys. This one is Digi Osmo from my best friend. And I love this so much. It's such an emotional gift for me. And also very thoughtful of her. Even though it's very expensive, she said I deserve it. So you should get a best friend like her. But not my best friend. But thank you so much, Tito. I love you so much. And this camera, it means a lot to me, honestly. And next gift is a MacBook from my brother and my boyfriend. I've been eyeing for this for so long guys. I finally have my hands on them. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open this one. And the another gift is from my best friend. He's currently in Australia and he asked my other best friend to buy me a gift. And this is a gorgeous bag. So gorgeous one. I can't wait to carry this. See, so pretty. And also my Amkore, my other friend, she took me for a birthday shopping, but I was so indecisive that I did not know what to buy, so we just postponed our birthday shopping to our next meeting. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for this birthday, and this birthday has been so special to me. I'm so happy about how it turned out. I love everything about this birthday. It's gonna be a very core memory to me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Next one will definitely be from my Digi Osmo.